Hello traders and welcome to another video. This is Francesco from FreeFX. So today I'm trying a different kind of camera effect so you can see me a bit better. I'm going to talk about a couple of things really, and the first thing I'm going to shout out to some people that I've been looking at on YouTube. And first up is this website, and so it's called Mindfully Trading, and Mindfully Trading is a website wholly dedicated to this particular trader called Emily from England, and she's got a ton of videos about her journey through essentially trading different currencies, what kind of strategies, bad days with losses and how to deal with them, etc, etc. So I think it's a really interesting channel, and I wanted to give a shout out to Emily at Mindfully Trading. And one of the videos I was looking at just a second ago there was dedicated to backtesting.
And before we dive into part 3,
and she talks about basically how to use different ways of backtesting. It's a 3-part video. This is part 3. Talks about the actual results of her backtesting, and she goes on to show by using a spreadsheet that she's compiled about 20 trades she's put together per currency pair, and then using TradingView for essentially doing the manual backtesting. Manual backtesting really is running through all the candlesticks back in time, going forward, taking a position based on what you see, at a particular point in the past, and then seeing if that strategy, that trade worked out, how many were losses and wins, etc. So really thank you for that. And then also going to go on to this particular website. This is Trading Heroes. Now, Trading Heroes is essentially a website, again, quite a few videos are dedicated to trading using indicators, but also there's a section here where he talks about backtesting and the different types of software that there are available. As you know from my previous video and comments, I've been looking at different types of
soft Forex, and soft Forex really surprised me.
And so he talks about soft Forex is one, soft for Forex. He talks about Forex Tester, number 4, and he talks about a number of other ones that TradingView free and TradingView paid for, and other types of software like that, Ninja Trader, etc. And he kind of ranks them by using a particular strategy, like a popular one, moving crossover strategy that you read about a lot, and see if that works, and essentially giving them a ranking based on ease of
Wait, stop right there. 31,000 in a day, fully automated, without having to do anything.
Right.
It might not be easy to use for back.
So ease of use, value for money, data availability, what kind of data can you get for that particular backtest, like different brokers' data, and then usability for my backtesting, best overall score. So that's another really good one. And also, so this is Dennis Ivy. Dennis Ivy, I've just sort of come across this website, and there are a few videos there. Can't really say that I've looked at them really, because I was really just looking at this one video, and this was to do with ads. Unfortunately. Alright, let's go. Yeah, this is about backtesting using TradingView. And he's essentially using Pine, which is the scripting language in TradingView, to do automated strategy backtesting, meaning that the backtesting will kind of run itself through the chart in a very short space of time. You'll get, decades worth of, depending on how many trades there are, of course. If there's a lot of trades, it'll take longer. This particular one he was using was basically a crossover strategy, like 20 exponential moving average crossing above or below a 50 exponential moving average. So that's basically and it kind of really clearly explains how the different parts of the scripting work, and sort of how to do that, and then kind of showing all the results on the chart as it does. With all the different trades kind of showing that. That's kind of where I'm heading to. And then finally, I was going to give a shout to this man, Patrick Boyle, one of his videos, he gets interviewed about trading gurus. I recommend you watch that because it's highly entertaining, but also very true about how all these kind of gurus with Lamborghini cars out there, and but this is actually, and he did one about GameStop recently, because everybody's been talking about it, obviously. So, but this particular one is about what is a quant trader, and he talks about quant trading as a serious business, and how intuitive trading is great, but obviously it is more transparent to use some kind of backtesting to kind of validate a hypothesis. So just to summarize, my shout outs for today are Mindfully Trading, Emily. Then we've had Trading Heroes. I'm so sorry I do not know your name, but you're great. So I just wanted to say thank you for your videos about Forex backtesting. Dennis, also for backtesting videos showing how to script in TradingView, and Patrick Boyle for being an all-round fund manager and really public spirited person, and public available, and also teaches at university, and he's legit as it gets. So just wanted to say these people I've come across, and I wanted to share that. So in essence, what I'm hoping to do, and just to finally kind of go back to the scripting that we talked about with Mindfully Trading and with Dennis, is to essentially start using the language straight away. So this is a USD chart, and then when you go on to the functions, it kind of gives you the syntax and the different colors. So for example, if I want to use a strategy, I'll type in a strategy and then give it a name, and we'll call it my strategy. And then once you kind of name that, you can save, obviously. Now this is a free version, and I know there are limits with free version, but obviously I want to experiment before I go into a paid version. I haven't decided whether I want to go with Forex Tester or not, but I like TradingView because I use all my obviously charts in TradingView. So and then sort of using the if function as like a condition of a particular thing, and you can get all the syntax explained either by sort of hovering or as that, or you actually go into you can go into a kind of explanation documentation, so that kind of tells you how to do things there, title, strategy, etc, etc. So strategy entry, how to kind of code that, strategy.entry. So yeah, that's kind of how you learn Python script. So anyway, so that's where I'm at with my journey. I'll do another video about actual trading, what have you, but it was just really to show you that I've been doing some work on that side of things, and also giving a shout out to other people in the community on YouTube is really the way to go. So thanks very much for everybody for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye, and happy trading.